and in this video I'm going to talk about what is WordPress. It's a question that I get from time to time, and I always have trouble explaining it in words. So really the best thing for me to do is just show you what I'm talking about when I explain what WordPress is. So we'll start on websitemike.com here, and at the end of the URL address, we're going to append wp-admin, which would stand for WordPress-admin. Go ahead and hit enter. So if you already have a WordPress site set up, you can, this is how it comes automatically installed. So you can go to that, whatever your website is, /wp-admin, and it takes you into the back end of the website. Typically there's a username and password page before this, but we just skipped over that. And so here we are. This is WordPress. What you're looking at here is WordPress. We'll just run around the dashboard here. We'll do a quick loop or lap. Here, if you hover over the name of the website, you can actually click on Visit Site and go ahead and see the front end of the website. If I right click and click on Open in New Tab, it'll show us what we were looking at before. It's taking a second to load, so I'll move on. But here now is the dashboard that we're looking at. If there's any updates that are needed, and there usually are weekly updates that come through, this is where you'll see a little button indicating that, or a box indicating that. Under posts, this is where you would be posting new blog posts if you were using WordPress as a blog posting platform, but you don't have to use it that way. That's the great thing about WordPress, is it's very expandable, flexible, adaptable. You don't have to even ever use this functionality, the post functionality. Next would be media. Media would be videos and pictures for the most part. Also any like PDFs, things like that, that maybe people are going to be downloading, like an ebook, for example. Here are the pages of the website Mike. It's actually just a one-page website. There's a privacy policy right now that's in draft stage. I need to go ahead and finish filling that out. But if I want to add any new pages, I would just click on Add New here, or I could hover over this plus new and then click on Page. Any of those will open a new page. Comments is going to tell me about any comments people have left on posts and allow me to manage them. Elementor is a plugin that I installed separately, and I have separate videos on explaining how it helps to make WordPress more user-friendly. It allows you to just drag and drop elements on the front end instead of having to work through the code to then make changes on the front end. Templates, this is part of Elementor, so it's not part of this video. Appearance is a really important tab. So themes, here you can select different themes that will just automatically install whole new looks for your site across the whole site. Customize is another really important button that it's beyond the scope of this video, but all of these play major roles in the front end appearance of your website. Then plugins are like apps for your phone. You can download and install new apps and get new functionality, new games, new whatever it might be for your phone. Same thing for your website. The users, this is a list of admin or authors or just subscribers as well. Tools, kind of self-explanatory. This is a new edition. Site health just came out, I believe, this year for WordPress, so helps people to understand what's going on with their site. There's some site settings. There's a theme panel. SG stands for SiteGround, which is the hosting platform that this website actually lives on physically. The code lives in the servers of SiteGround on the internet. Hopefully that's not too confusing. And then Google Analytics, I think a lot of folks know what that is, and it just is a little piece of code that goes on to every page and tracks your visitors through the page and connects with Google. So it gives you a lot of insight into a lot of analysis of user behavior. In case you're wondering, this Cozy Cal button refers to, if I click back to the front end and look down here at this Hire Me button, this is, you can see Cozy Cal appears as a link down there, bottom left. So that's where that button is part of, is Cozy Cal. If I click on Cozy Cal, I'll get some more ability to customize buttons and set things up. So in a really quick nutshell, that is what WordPress is. It's from all of these tools in this back end, you then create the front end. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, mike@websitemike.com, or if you'd like to hire me, and actually we could actually work together on your websites, we can do that on websitemike.com on that little hire me button we were looking at earlier with Cozy Cal. You can click there and request to set up a time to talk for free. All right, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.